Hello, good day. My name is Ori Anton of CBMS Department. I am here to present to you my project implementation video. The title of my project is Linis Basura sa Intra. You'll know more about it as we proceed to the video. What? So what is it about? Well, this project is about cleaning the surroundings and the environment. It is also about giving knowledge about trash and how we deal with it and manage it. It is not only about cleaning, but it is also about instilling discipline and virtues. So, why? Well, I came up with this idea by being in Intramuros every day to go to Mapua. And after leaving Mapua, I would always notice trash everywhere, especially when me and my friends went to Fort Santiago one night. Then I remembered in my high school days as a sort of ROTC student where we cleaned up the streets outside of my school. And I'm not gonna lie, it was fun. So how? To answer that, this project will be executed and be accomplished with the help of the Mapua University and willing students who will clean the streets of Intramuros only because they want to. Where? Of course, the cleanup drive activity will be held in Intramuros. I chose Intramuros because it is where Mapua is. And we go to Intramuros every time we go to Mapua. So, when will it be? Well, as of now, the proposed project is set during the third semester of the year 2023 to 2024. So, in this slide, we can see the timetable and the project activities that will take place. Let's go into more detail by discussing the activities individually. So, the first activity is the orientation and seminar about waste management and all about waste and caring for the environment. So there will be one speaker that will talk about the importance of managing trash and stuff about trash that will make the environment better. This activity will take place between 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. So the next activity will be the groupings and giving of instructions. So right after the seminar, all 50 of the volunteering students will be paired. And in total, there will be 25 pairs. Then, right after that, instructions will be given out to the students, like their designated areas and the giving out of the materials needed. This activity will take place from 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. The third part of the activity is going to assign place and preparation. So, participants will have 30 minutes from 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. to go to their designated areas. So the next part of the activity is the start of the actual cleaning up. So from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., all participating students will start their cleanup. The materials that are given are to provide cleanliness and safety to the participating students. Among the materials given out are gloves, t-shirt, garbage bags, and face masks. Each pairs have 2 garbage bags, one for biodegradable waste and one for non-biodegradable waste. The next part of the activity is retreating to the meetup place. So by 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., all participants should go back to the meeting place, which is the Mapua University. The next part of the activity is the weighing in and checking of trash. By 11:30 a.m. to 12 p.m., all trash collected by the participating students will be weighed for their rewards. Also, the non-biodegradable trash will be further segregated by personnel or staff. Next, all participating students and personnels should take a break by 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Right after lunch, our last part of the activity is the results of weighing and winners announcement. After the lunch break, by 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m., the winners should be announced and the winners have prizes according to their placements. So that's all for my presentation and my project video. I hope you like it. And once again, I am Sorry Anton from the CBMS department.
In this photo, we can see what each pair must wear. They must wear t-shirt, preferably dark so that the dirt will not be obvious. They must also wear jogging pants so that if a garbage falls, it will not be directly in contact with their skin. They must also wear closed shoes so that the students will not be in direct contact with the garbage. And most important of all, they must wear face masks and gloves for protection and sanitary purposes. Garbage bags are provided as well for the students. In this part of the video, I am walking from the meetup place to me and my partner's designated area. In this part, I picked up a plastic waste because my garbage bag is for the non-biodegradable waste. We have just arrived in our designated area. We found a banana peel, and because it is a biodegradable waste, my partner is the one who collected it since her bag is for biodegradable waste. Since most of the trash are non-biodegradable, I am the one that's mostly in the video.